Have you seen Durandhar?
No, I haven't, but I've been told that I have a cameo there. So, I mean, I've been told, but it's in Hindi, but I've also been told it's a 3 hour long movie. So maybe in my multiple flights I'll watch it. But if people, want to, I mean, I hope the producer had called me and asked me who they should cast as my cameo or as something like that. I would have given some suggestions.
Like what? Who would you suggest to play your role?
Oh, Pierce Brosnan, maybe.
Okay. And your dad's role?
I don't know. Maybe
Sean Connery,
maybe Michael Caine or somebody like that.
Okay.
if people can mix up fact, fiction, and WhatsApp forwards, what can I do?
So you think that sequence is completely
if I'd actually, okay, let's get into that. If you really think it happened, shouldn't the government of India have some records?
Explain what happened for people who have not watched the
Let
part.
them watch it if they want
If
to.
it has happened,
Basically,
government
about
I'm not promoting the film.
it's about currency plates.
No, if the
and
government,
the conspiracy theory.
the government of India doesn't have records, do you think how does anybody even understand it? I mean, this unfortunately, I mean, thanks to WhatsApp and Mark Zuckerberg, it's people can't sift through fact and fiction, and everything merges in this Maya world. Now it's with AI, it's only going to get worse. But that's so be it. I mean, they also say that. I mean, I have they said that I have 24 properties in 25 countries. If that's only possible, if one property is on the border of 2 countries, you know that, no? If how can I have 24 properties in 25 countries? The only way that's possible is one house has to be in 2 on the border. And then, of course, then there's this very famous WhatsApp forward. It says that we grow cauliflower and we in balconies.
Yeah.
Actually,
Did you grow cauliflower
Actually, I want to
on the
correct
terrace
you.
in Lodi Garden?
No. We actually grow asparagus. Not cauliflower. I want to correct that.
Okay.
That is what we grow in the balconies in pots.
Yeah, cash crop, real cash crop.
Yeah. Asparagus.
Even there you're growing a cash crop.
Yeah,
Okay.
asparagus. I just want to clarify that.
Take it.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दो?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.